Is capitalism an engine of progress, or is it a root cause of economic inequality? Today, we will break down the mechanics of capitalism and its impact on wealth distribution. We are diving deep into a complex but critical topic: the role capitalism plays in economic inequality. We will explore how capitalism creates opportunities for innovation and wealth creation while also examining the systems that lead to disparities. By the end of this video, you will have a balanced, data-driven understanding of this critical issue. At its core, capitalism is a system where individuals and businesses own and control resources, with wealth created through free market competition. But inequality arises when wealth and resources aren't distributed evenly. Here is the connection between capitalism and inequality: meritocracy versus structural barriers. In theory, capitalism rewards hard work and innovation, but in practice, access to resources like education, healthcare, and networks create barriers for many. Accumulation of capital. Those who already have wealth can invest and grow their capital, widening the gap between the rich and the poor. Market failures. Free markets don't always address social needs, leading to issues like wage stagnation or underfunded public services. To understand inequality within capitalism, we must look at key drivers like policy, globalization, and technology. Technology and automation. While these drive efficiency, they often displace lower skilled jobs, leading to a growing income gap. Globalization. Capitalism thrives on global markets, but outsourcing and wage disparities across countries exacerbate inequality. Policy decisions, tax structures, labor laws, and social safety nets can either reduce or amplify economic disparities. Understanding these forces helps us see that inequality isn't just an inevitable byproduct of capitalism. It is influenced by choices we make within the system. Let's look at the numbers. Data shows how inequality has evolved over time. For example, the top 1% owns more wealth than the bottom 90% combined in many countries. Income growth for the middle class has stagnated compared to the exponential growth of the wealthy. But the data also shows the countries with strong social safety nets and progressive policies tend to have lower levels of inequality while retaining the benefits of capitalism. So, is it possible to reduce inequality without abandoning capitalism? Many experts believe that the answer lies in reform, not rejection. Here are potential reforms discussed to address inequality. Progressive taxation. Ensure the wealthy contribute their fair share to fund public service. Universal access to education and healthcare. Level the playing field by addressing systemic barriers. Employee ownership models. Empower workers to share in the wealth they help create. Support for small businesses. Foster innovation and reduce reliance on monopolistic corporations. Now, these changes don't dismantle capitalism. They enhance it by ensuring more people can participate in and benefit from the system. So, where do we go from here? Whether you are an entrepreneur, investor, or employee, you have a role to play. As an individual, you can support businesses, advocate for fair policies, and invest in education. As a leader, you can build systems that prioritize both profit and equity. The key is to think critically about capitalism and work to shape it into a system that benefits everyone. Capitalism isn't perfect, but it is a powerful engine for progress. By understanding its flaws and potential, we can work together to reduce inequality and create opportunities for all. If you found this video insightful, hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments, what do you think is the biggest driver of inequality in capitalism today?